Welcome to Footprints Across Lands. Here we embark on breathtaking journeys, exploring unique destinations and celebrating the beauty of our planet. Today, we're diving into a very special topic: nature and conservation. Travel to save our planet. Get ready to pack your bags for an adventure like no other, where every step you take leaves the planet better than you found it. Let's explore destinations that combine natural wonders with impactful conservation efforts. Let's begin. The essence of conservation: tourism. Conservation tourism goes beyond admiring the beauty of nature. It's about actively contributing to its protection. This form of travel supports environmental preservation and local communities while offering travelers the opportunity to connect deeply with the natural world. In this video, we'll explore incredible destinations that lead the way in conservation and share practical tips to travel more responsibly. Let's dive into the heart of conservation tourism, starting with the Serengeti in Tanzania. Tanzania, the iconic Serengeti and beyond. Tanzania is home to some of the world's most breathtaking landscapes and a haven for wildlife. Its commitment to conservation is evident in its national parks and reserves. Serengeti National Park, famous for the Great Migration. This UNESCO World Heritage Site showcases one of the most spectacular wildlife events on Earth. Witness millions of wildebeests, zebras, and gazelles making their annual journey across the plains. Ngorongoro Conservation Area. This unique conservation area is a blend of wildlife protection and sustainable tourism. The Ngorongoro crater is a haven for endangered species like black rhinos. Local community engagement. Visit Maasai villages to learn about their traditional lifestyles and how they coexist with nature. Pro tip: choose eco-friendly lodges that support conservation initiatives and provide employment opportunities for locals. Australia, protecting the Great Barrier Reef. The Great Barrier Reef is one of the most biologically diverse ecosystems on the planet, and conservation efforts here are crucial to its survival. Marine sanctuaries, dive or snorkel in protected areas where strict guidelines ensure minimal human impact. Citizen science programs. Participate in initiatives like Eye on the Reef to help monitor coral health. Sustainable tourism operators choose reef tours with eco-certifications to ensure your visit supports conservation efforts. Pro tip: avoid single-use plastics and use reef-safe sunscreen to protect marine life. Norway, fjords, and sustainable practices. Norway's fjords are a testament to the power of glaciers and a top destination for eco-conscious travelers. Gerangerfjord and Enkrafjord. These UNESCO World Heritage Sites are prime examples of natural beauty and conservation. Electric ferries. Norway leads the way in sustainable tourism with its fleet of electric ferries that operate in the fjords. Eco-friendly lodges. Stay in accommodations that utilize renewable energy and promote sustainable practices. Pro tip: respect local wildlife by keeping a safe distance and avoiding feeding them. Indonesia, preserving marine and forest biodiversity. Indonesia's rich biodiversity makes it a hotspot for conservation tourism. From its vibrant marine life to lush rainforests, the country offers unique experiences. Komodo National Park. Home to the legendary Komodo dragons, this park is a conservation success story. Dive into crystal clear waters to explore thriving coral reefs. Gunung Luser National Park. Trek through the rainforests of Sumatra to encounter orangutans in their natural habitat. Community-based tourism. Engage with local communities that manage ecotourism projects, ensuring both cultural preservation and environmental protection. Pro tip: avoid activities that exploit animals or disrupt their natural behaviors. Canada, wilderness and wildlife conservation. Canada's vast wilderness is a paradise for nature lovers and conservation enthusiasts alike. Banff and Jasper National Parks. Explore the majestic Rocky Mountains, turquoise lakes, and abundant wildlife. These parks are committed to maintaining their ecosystems. Churchill, Manitoba. Known as the polar bear capital of the world, Churchill offers sustainable tours to observe these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat. Indigenous tourism. Learn about conservation from indigenous communities who have stewarded the land for generations. Pro tip: travel during off-peak seasons to minimize overcrowding and reduce your environmental impact. Peru, protecting the Amazon rainforest. Peru's Amazon region is one of the most biodiverse places on Earth and a critical area for global conservation. Tambopata National Reserve. Spot exotic wildlife like macaws, capybaras, and jaguars while staying at ecolodges. Manu National Park. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a treasure trove of biodiversity. Guided tours provide insights into the park's conservation efforts. Local initiatives support community projects that promote sustainable agriculture and protect the rainforest. Pro tip: avoid purchasing products made from endangered species or unsustainable materials. Antarctica, the final frontier of conservation. Antarctica's pristine landscapes offer a stark reminder of the importance of protecting our planet. Responsible expeditions. Choose tour operators that follow strict guidelines to minimize environmental impact. Wildlife encounters. Observe penguins, seals, and whales in their natural habitat without disturbing them. Scientific research stations. Learn about ongoing research and the effects of climate change on this fragile ecosystem. Pro tip: pack carefully to ensure no non-native species or contaminants are introduced. How you can make a difference. 1. Choose sustainable operators. Research companies that prioritize conservation and ethical practices. 2. Travel light. Reduce your carbon footprint by packing only essentials. 3. Support local economies. Purchase goods and services from local businesses. 4. Educate yourself. Learn about the destinations you visit and the challenges they face. 5. Offset carbon emissions. Use carbon offset programs to neutralize your travel footprint. 6. Advocate for change. Share your experiences to inspire others to travel responsibly. Traveling with a purpose allows us to see the world while contributing to its preservation. By choosing destinations and practices that prioritize nature and conservation, we can help ensure the planet's beauty endures for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this journey through conservation tourism. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Footprints Across Lands for more inspiring content. Let us know in the comments which conservation destination inspires you the most. Until next time, let's keep exploring and protecting our planet.